Hi Mr. Seft. What topic in your class now?
Oh, Miss Ellen Yen. I will tell about advertisement.
Nice topic. This topic is very wide. I am interested to ask some question about advertisement.
Certainly, Miss Ellen.
What is the advertisement?
I will explain. Advertisement is information which have purpose to ask public to buy or to use the goods or service which be offered. Product or services advertisement usually tell the competencies of the product.
Can you tell me advertisement types?
There are many kinds of advertisement types, for service or goods advertisement, vacancy, etc.
Where can we install the advertisement?
Advertisement is usually installed on newspaper, electronic media or public place like in poster, pamphlet or balaho type.
How can I make vacancy advertisement?
Okay, I give you for example, Miss Ellen Yen. Vacancy. Native speaker English teacher requires experienced TOEFL preferred. PH, Lewis, 856-4791-92, 8 a.m.-8 p.m. Monday to Saturday. There's some question for this advertisement. Which qualification must the teacher candidate have? A. Explicit. B. Expired. C. Expressive. D. Experienced.
I know the answer, Mr. Seft. That is experienced, right?
You are correct, Miss Ellen. The word required is similar in meaning to A. Called, B. Helped, C. Trained, D. Needed.
Required is similar in meaning to needed.
I give you other advertisement in the questions. Want to create an amazing blog easily? Join our short training. We have the best trainers for the best results. 20% discount in January only. Free for students. Contact me ASAP. Mimi, 0813-2310-1968. Okay, listen, question number 3. What will happen to the participants after joining the training? A. Get the best result. B. Get 20% discount. C. Enjoy the best trainers. D. Be able to create a blog.
The participants will be able to create a blog.
Correct answer. Now the question number 4. We have the best trainers for the best result. Trainers is similar in meaning with A. Illustrators, B. Instructors, C. Organizers, D. Conductors.
The trainer is similar meaning with instructor. Can you give me example the services advertisement?
Western Electronics digital TV set-top box and DVD. Installation setup and cleaning plasma and LCD repairs. Repairs to most brands of TVs, DVDs, videos, microwaves and monitors. Service and warranty center for most manufacturers 457 Hopkins Parade Duba westernelectronics.com.au 6882 to 3905 0409-988-428. The question for the advertisement above. The text shows us that Western Electronics, certain electronic products, A. sells, B. buys, C. repairs, D. displays.
I think is repairs.
Continue the next question. If you need Western Electronics service, A. you should buy a TV set from them. B. you ought to bring your warranty. C. you cannot call them. D. you can email them.
Maybe you can email them.
It is advertisement about product. Cold breaker like you never feel any cold, fast relief for congestion 100 tablets running nose use cough 200 milligrams headache fever. Available in Never Store in Indonesia. UNSMP 2011 to 2012. The question for the advertisement. Which of the following sickness cannot be relieved by this medicine? A. headache, B. cough, C. cancer, D. fever.
That is cancer, Mr. Seft.
Good. So, what is the writer's purpose to write the text above? A. to inform the process of making cold breaker. B. to persuade people to use the product. C. to explain the ingredients of the product. D. to describe the illnesses that can be cured.
It is about describing the illnesses that can be cured.
Yup. Oh yeah, there's an interesting advertisement.
What is it?
White tea lose up to 25 pounds in 25 days. 3x more antioxidant than green tea. Fight fatigue and increase energy. Reduce every fine line and wrinkle. Enhance immune system. Free shipping fee for this month, UNSMP 2011 to 2012. So what is the benefit of drinking white tea? A. Reduce antioxidant. B. Decrease energy levels. C. Enhance immune system. D. Gain up to 3 pounds in a day.
It is about enhance immune system.
And the purpose of the text above is A. To inform how to use the product. B. To advertise the product. C. To describe the benefits of the product. D. To tell the ingredients of the product.
To advertise the product.
Well done, Miss Ellen Yan. We have finished our discussion about advertisement. I hope it will be useful for you to understand advertisement topic.
Oh friends, if you don't understand for the topic you can write in comment column. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can learn other questions about practice national exam question for junior high school. Bye.
Bye. See you in the next session.